Yo, if you've been following me for some time now, you know I've been putting in the work for years and years. But recently I fell off. Surgery, setbacks, my company messing me around, victimization, all that slowed me down. Life really hit me hard. I stopped posting. I lost a lot of weight to the point where it's noticeable. And people were telling me, a couple of people have told me so far, "Hey Grant, you've lost weight. What's going on? Are you okay? Is everything fine?" And I won't lie, it made me feel very frustrated. It made me feel very, very frustrated to the point where I lost momentum. And honestly, it's very easy to feel like a victim, to feel defeated. But to be honest with you, I don't really feel defeated. I just feel more pissed off that I can't move forward. I feel like it pisses me off more than it makes me sad, because I had the momentum for years. I've been posting, I've been showing up, and I just lost the momentum. The surgery messed me up, the company messed me around. A lot of things just went wrong this year. But I am back now. I am back, and I'm gonna be back harder than last time. Definitely harder than last time. You see, here's the truth. Sometimes life hits you with everything at once. That's what happens. Momentum stops. It just stops. You try to keep moving forward. You try to not lose sight of the goal, but life just hits you with everything at once. And it hit me physically because I was unable to do certain things, but I never ever lost the vision or lost the goal in my mind. I always saw the desired outcome in my head, and I always knew, and that's what kept me. So that's what I'll never ever look for sympathy and break down and stop. Yeah, I'll take a break. Like, I've taken a break because I got hit hard, but it doesn't mean I stopped. And you shouldn't stop too. Whatever you're going through, whatever life hurdles that come your way, take a break, but don't stop. So I'm back. I'm more stronger mentally, more smarter, and ready for my comeback. And I want to help you come back as well. So with that being said, I'm not just telling you this to vent. I'm telling you this because I can coach you through your comeback as well. Here's what I offer. So I am a coach. I do custom training plans, custom meal plans tailored towards your goals that actually work. Daily check-ins and weekly check-ins. I'm gonna be doing it through Zoom. So what you can do is you can sign up in the link in the description, or if the link is not working, just send me an email and I'll send you the link. I have a recurring link that I use every day. So to get access to that Zoom link, just hit me with an email. If you're having any issues with the payment processes, just send me an email or just comment in the section and I'll send you a payment process. I charge $100 a week for the service, so $400 a month. But you can pay a weekly if you want. You can do something like the first week you can pay $100, and then if you don't like it, if you don't like the training, or if you're not happy with it, then okay, you won't continue the next week. But if you want to pay the full $400 for the month, we can do that too. We'll work around it. I'm actually quite new to the whole payment process thing and stuff, but if you send me an email, I'll send you a link. I'll do it through PayPal because PayPal's easy for everybody, so we'll just do it through there. But I will coach you. I do have limited spots available because what I like to do is I like to focus on each individual and work with them one-on-one and focus so that I don't get too overloaded. So there are limited spots available, and I always tell my clients when I'm coaching them, you have to see the desired outcome in your mind. What does that mean? How you want to look, you should already have it in your head. If you want to look, for example, like The Rock, there's a certain way that The Rock trains. If you want to look more aesthetic, like Zac Efron, there's a certain method that you train in. You don't just go into the gym and wing it and hope for the best. As you can see over here, I used to look like this before. I was very strong, very bulky, very lean, and now this is how I look because of the life setbacks. So I know what I'm talking about, and I know how to train people. So if you're ready to take your training to the next level, sign up. Link in the description. Let's work together. Here's the truth. Life slows you down sometimes. Momentum stops, but honestly, you can come back. You can come back. And I'm back now, and I'm ready to go harder than last time. Let's get it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put an email in the description. So just send me an email and tell me you've paid, and then I'll respond back with the Zoom link, and then we'll get to work immediately. What I want to do with you guys is I want to do a call first, a Zoom call first, just to see where you're at, where your fitness goals is at currently at the moment, to see how I can work with you individually, because I want it to be tailored towards your goal, and that's what we're gonna work with. I'll see you guys on the other side.